show to you how to delete a Facebook account forever. So the first step is to simply open Facebook on your phone, and then what you have to do next is simply go to menu and then simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, and then here you have to simply tap on settings, and then here you have to simply tap on account center, and then simply scroll down and go to personal details, and then here you have to simply tap on account ownership and control, and then simply tap on deactivation, and then simply choose your Facebook account, and then here you have to simply select delete account. So as you can see, deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you shared on Facebook, your main profile, your messenger, and all of your messages will be also deleted. So make sure to choose that, and then simply tap on continue here. And as you can see, all your Facebook pages will be deleted also. So you have to simply change the ownership. So you have to invite someone else, and then simply tap on continue here. Here you have to simply choose a reason why you want to delete your Facebook account, and then simply tap on continue again. And then here you have to scroll again, and then tap on continue here. And that's all you have to do now. And here the last step is to simply enter the password, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.